Students, let us see the seventh question. A minus 3 comma 0, B 10 comma minus 2, and C 12 comma 3 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Find the equation of the altitude through A and B. Okay, so the vertices coordinates are given. We need to find the equation of the altitude. Altitude means perpendicular. Okay, so through A, what is the altitude? You have to mark it and find out. Okay, that altitude is perpendicular to the opposite side BC. Okay, through A means it is perpendicular to the side BC. So you have to find the slope of BC. That slope is perpendicular to the altitude, that slope, and the slope of the altitude product is minus 1. So using the m1 into m2 condition equal to minus 1 condition, you can find the slope through A and slope through B. Okay. So you, first of all, you find out the opposite side of the particular the slope of the opposite side of the particular vertices. Then use the condition m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Okay. So first of all, we can draw the diagram triangle ABC and mark this coordinates. Then draw the altitude and give the name for that. Then we can do the sum. Okay. Now you see the triangle ABC. Through A, I draw a altitude, it is AD. Okay, through B, I draw another altitude, it is BE. So you need to find the equation of AD and BE. Okay, here we can write the coordinate. A coordinate is minus 3 comma 0 and B coordinate is 10 comma minus 2 and C coordinate is 12 comma 3. Whenever you draw a diagram, completely use the pencil. Okay, in simply drawing using pencil and writing using pen, you don't do that way. Completely use the pencil. Now you have to find the equation of the line AD. It is the altitude, it is perpendicular to BC. So first of all, you find the slope of BC using these two coordinates. Okay, so difference in y coordinate divided by difference in x coordinate, you will get the slope of BC. Next, you consider that slope as m1, then consider the slope of AD as m2. So m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So you will get the slope of AD, it is m2, and consider as m like the previous question. Then you can find out the equation of AD. Like the same, you can find out the equation of BE also. Okay, so this finding BE you complete as homework. I will complete up to AD. Understood? Okay, listen now. First write given vertices are A minus 3 comma 0, B 10 comma minus 2 and C 12 comma 3. Okay, consider AD and BE are the altitudes through A and B respectively. Okay, next we are going to find the equation of the line AD. So you write to find equation of AD. Okay, for that we are going to find the slope of BC, then find the slope of AD and do the find the equation of the line A. Okay, let m1 be the slope of BC and m2 be the slope of AD. Okay, now slope of BC is equal to difference in y coordinates divided by difference in x coordinates. Okay, now we can find out the slope of BC we took as m1. So you can, the next step you can write m1 equal to a difference in y coordinate. This is B and C. So 3 minus of minus 2 divided by 12 minus 10. Okay. Therefore, m1 is equal to difference in y coordinate. So 3 minus of minus 2 divided by difference in x coordinate 12 minus 10. Okay, which is equal to 3 plus 2, it is 5 divided by 12 minus 10 is 2. So you are getting m1 equal to 5 by 2. Since BC perpendicular to AD, m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, which implies 5 by 2 into m2 equal to minus 1, which implies m2 is equal to, cross multiply and change the sign, so 2 divided by 5. Okay, this is the equation, slope of AD. Let m is equal to minus 2 by 5. Okay, now we can write the equation of the line using slope find formula and find out the equation. Okay, now equation of the straight line. Inside the bracket you write point slope form. Is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, so which implies y minus y1, we know the a coordinate. Okay, so a coordinate only x1 y1, equation of the straight line passing through a. Okay, so it is x1 y1. Here we can write m is equal to minus 2 by 5 and a coordinate is minus 3 comma 0. This point only you have to consider. Okay, otherwise you will confuse which point for x1 y1. So you write it here. So using this point we can find out the equation of the straight line. So y minus y1 0 equal to minus 2 by 5 into x minus of minus 3. Okay, which implies y is equal to, no, not y, you have to cross multiply. So 5y is equal to minus 2 into x plus 3. Okay, which implies 5y equal to minus 2x minus into minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6. Now as usual write in the standard form. So 2x plus 5y plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, answer, one of this answer, you have to write the next also. Equation of the altitude through A is 2x plus 5y plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, next heading you have to write to find the equation of B and complete this. It is your homework. Okay. In this part also you have to choose the m1 and m2. Okay, m1 is the equation of AC and m1 is the slope of the side AC and m2 is the slope of this altitude BE. Find out m2 value, then consider it is the m slope m and substitute that value with the coordinate B Okay, with the coordinate B in the equation of the line y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, and find out the equation of this line BE. Okay, that is the equation of the altitude through B. Understood? So complete like the previous, easy only. Please understand and do, don't copy from the back. Okay.